This video will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that is related to the site Radeu.click. Some people may suddenly see these strange pop-ups by Radeu.click. These pop-ups claim to be somehow associated with the well-known security application, but the truth is that this is a fake message. The site Radeu.click is not related to any decent security program, so don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Just don't trust any fake information that these pop-ups report. Radeu.click pop-ups may be the result of some adware on your computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is researching the list of the available programs. And if you find any suspicious items here, get rid of them. I would also recommend investigating the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. And you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.